What is web designing? Introduction to web design. At its core, programming is about solving problems. It helps us build websites, apps, games, and even control robots and smart devices. In this video, we will be diving in these topics. Introduction. What is web designing? Hey everyone, welcome to this session on web designing. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about how websites are created, you're in the right place. What is web designing? Let's start with the basics. Web designing is the process of planning, conceptualizing, and arranging content for display on the internet. In simple terms, it's how websites are made to look and function. Web design doesn't just mean pretty colors or cool graphics. It's about user experience. A well-designed website is easy to navigate, looks professional, and works well on all devices, from desktop computers to smartphones. Key components of web design. Web design has two main aspects. 1. Visual design. This includes layout, color schemes, typography, images, and spacing. It determines how the website looks and feels. 2. Functional design. This includes navigation, interactivity, responsiveness, and overall user experience. It determines how the website works. Tools and technologies in web design. Modern web design uses a mix of tools and technologies. Here are the most common ones. HTML, hypertext markup language, the structure of the website. CSS, cascading style sheets, the styling, colors, fonts, layout. JavaScript, for interactivity like animations, sliders, pop-ups, etc. Responsive web design. In today's world, people browse websites on all kinds of devices. That's why responsive design is crucial. It ensures your site looks great on phones, tablets, and desktops. Why web design matters. Great web design can build brand credibility, improve user engagement, increase conversions and sales, enhance SEO performance. In short, it plays a vital role in the success of any online presence. Conclusion. So there you have it, a quick introduction to web designing. It's where creativity meets technology, and it's a skill that continues to grow in demand. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the tools you can use to start designing websites yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.